It's a heat wave and your forklift is acting like it's in a sauna. Stop! Before you fry the brain of your machine, listen up. These 3 summer traps are causing your power failure. 1. Extreme sun exposure. 2. Dirty charging ports. 3. Tire pressure spikes. First, sun exposure pushes batteries past the 55 C limit, halting discharge. Second, dust in your plug increases resistance, creating a heat spike. Third, heat expands air, risking a tire blowout. So how can you protect your equipment during hot summer conditions? Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Move to a ventilated, shaded area. Step 2. Blast those connectors clean of all debris. Step 3. Check your hydraulic oil and calibrate tire pressure for the heat. Keep it cool, keep it efficient. Store at 50% stock. Follow me, get more forklift fixes.